Here are some tips on how to use ChatGPT effectively. Tip number 1. Clearly state your request. Begin your interaction by clearly stating your question or request. Providing specific and concise information helps ChatGPT understand your needs and provide a more accurate response. Tip number 2. Break down complex questions. If you have a complex or multi-part question, consider breaking it down into smaller, more digestible parts. This allows ChatGPT to address each component more effectively. Tip number 3. Be patient and specific. ChatGPT may need additional clarification or context to provide the most helpful response. If you feel that the initial response is not sufficient, try rephrasing or providing more specific details to help ChatGPT better understand your query. Tip number 4. Use system messages. ChatGPT can provide additional information or guidance through system-level instructions. These messages start with a prefix and can help guide the conversation or specify the desired behavior of the AI. Tip number 5. Experiment with prompts. If you're unsure how to structure your question or request, you can experiment with different prompt formats. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to provide pros and cons, offer multiple suggestions, or compare different options. Tip number 6. Feedback. If you feel that the response provided by ChatGPT is not accurate or doesn't meet your expectations, you can politely provide feedback. This helps improve the AI model and enhances its performance over time. Tip number 7. Be mindful of bias and safety. Remember that ChatGPT generates responses based on patterns in the data it was trained on. It is important to critically evaluate the information provided and not solely rely on it. Additionally, avoid engaging in harmful or inappropriate conversations. Tip number 8. Explore the limitations. ChatGPT may not always have access to up-to-date information or be able to provide specific details on certain topics. It's important to be aware of its limitations and use other reliable sources when necessary. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it is still an AI model. Using it as a starting point for information or inspiration can be beneficial, but always exercise critical thinking and cross-reference information with trusted sources when needed. Once again, thanks for watching.